In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost the resolution of your image in Figma. If you've ever dropped a photo into a layout and noticed it looks soft or pixelated, stick with me. I'll show you two simple ways to sharpen things up, right where you are already working. First, open your design in Figma and select the image you want to improve. In the right panel, click Edit Image, then choose Boost Resolution. This uses Figma's AI to enhance clarity and detail automatically. Note that this feature requires a professional plan, so make sure your account has access before you rely on it for production work. After a moment, Figma typically creates a new, higher resolution version of your image. In many cases, the enhanced version appears as a separate layer, so your original stays untouched and easy to revert to. Take a moment to zoom in and pan around edges, text, and skin tones to verify the improvement looks natural across the whole image. You'll see clearer edges, better texture, and fewer compression artifacts, which is perfect for mockups and presentations where images need to hold up at large sizes. For an alternative that gives you more control over scale, use a plugin. Open Quick Actions by pressing Ctrl+K. Then search for AI Image Upscaler and select it. This plugin upscales images by 2 times, 4 times, or even 8 times. And it includes specialized facial enhancement for portraits to keep features looking natural. Once selected, click Apply and let it run. Larger scale factors take longer, but they can rescue small assets when you need to place them in bigger frames. A couple of practical tips while you work. Start with modest increases if you are unsure. 2 times or 4 times usually balances sharpness with realism, while 8 times is best saved for very small originals. Keep an eye on fine patterns, and skin AI sharpeners can sometimes overemphasize noise. If you notice halos or overly crisp edges, try a lower upscale amount or rerun boost resolution for a more subtle effect. Also be mindful of file sizes. Higher resolution layers can make files heavier, so clean up any unused versions when you are done to keep your document snappy. That's it. Thanks for watching.